Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American Pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Big Buff, Buffalo Pickers? Yeah, him in Glass City on Friday nights, defend the hustle. Have you ever heard of what's his name? Yeah, Big D from Big D. Yeah, from Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle. Him and Regina Michelle. Have you ever heard of buy here first? Yeah, Ella. Have you ever heard of Shaw F? Yeah. Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of Monty from Garage, Flip, Garage, the Shed, whatever? Well, this is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all, I just want to make a video about what I picked up yesterday. Some of y'all be sleeping on these books. I spend at least 30 to 45 minutes looking through all the books in some of these places. Some of them I spend more time in because the books are the hardcover books are like 95 cents. The paperbacks are 50 cents. So sometimes I spend more time in those stores. But I got a couple more items instead of books too. But anyway, we finna get started. I'm gonna put the comps on the screen. Okay, the first book I found is a book set. It's a book set. This is volumes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. It's 6 volumes. This is the decline and fall of the Roman Empire. I paid 90 cents for this. This is right now. If I had the whole set, all 6 of them, it'd have been probably $89. But since I just got 3, I'm gonna go half of that and I'm asking $44 for this. It's one that sold on it for $38, but they didn't have this box. They just had the volumes. So I got the box. So this right here, I'm putting on eBay for $44. I paid 90 cents for it. Okay, next up, y'all sleeping on these old antique coffee pots and stuff like that. Y'all sleeping. This is a Silex. What the hell? It's a Proctor Silex coffee pot. It's brand new. It just don't have the box. It's never been used. Okay. The one I saw on there that I'm gonna put on the screen, they sold for $75. It didn't have all the paperwork. It wasn't new. So I'm putting this on there in between $75 and $85 because I got all the paperwork in this. It's damn near new. It just don't have the box. But don't sleep on these old coffee cups. And you can see what that say. I paid $4.99 for that. $4.99. Don't sleep, y'all. Money is money. Next up, let me get this book down. Hold on, y'all. The strong book right here. This say the exhaustive concordance of the Bible. So I guess they given a breakdown of the Bible, whatever. This right here is in between $17 and $24. I try not to buy books that I can't make over $10 off of. Like if I see a book and they want and I put on eBay for $5.99, I started, because I got so many, I started just anything over $10 that I can sell, I get. Because I'm still going to charge shipping. These books are heavy. And they go up on a medium mail. I wish I could just sell books all the time. because medium mail is cheap. This book right here probably weigh about 5 pounds. It'll probably go $4 on medium mail. You know, if you got a regular piece of, like if I said that coffee pot, you know, and it was 5 pounds, and it was going to California, that'd probably be about $13. So I wish I could just sell medium mail stuff all the time. That's what I wish, but it ain't gonna work that way. Okay, next up. Oh, okay, that's going between $17 to $24. Next up, where that book at? Here it is. Now I paid 90-something cents for all these hardcovers. This is called The Slave Coast, The American Slave Coast. This selling for $15. There was some sold more than that, but they were new. So this book right here selling for $15 plus shipping. Next up, this cowboy book, Gunfighter Nation. This Gunfighter Nation book selling in between $20 and $25. $20 and $25. I paid 95 cents for this. So plus shipping. Next up, anytime you see W.E.B. Du Bois, get her stuff. His stuff, whoever she is. He is, whatever. And this is called Black Reconstruction in America. I really don't want to sell this. I want to keep because I got a whole lot of black literature. But this is selling between $20 and $23. So whenever you see her name, get it. Or his name or whoever it is. I never did know if it was a woman or man. I didn't research that. All I know is I got some of their books. So I never did research to see if it was a female or male. So I don't know. Maybe I should do that before I start talking about it. But that goes in between $20 and $23. Next up, this is the cheapest book I got. Next up is called The Mind Master Class. The Mind of the Master Class. Okay? This is going in between $10 and $13. $10 to $13 plus shipping. You know? So, anyway, y'all, I just made this video to show y'all what I picked up. And y'all don't sleep on these books, I'm telling you. I know y'all go in these thrift stores and you run through them, you know, look for certain things and run through them. But money is money. When you pass these books up, you passing up some money. So take your time and scan some. And sometimes it's to me it's on instinct. I look at something like when I see box sets, I always pick up the box sets and scan them. Sometimes if I see an interesting title, I pick it up and scan it, and it be worth money. I sold books for $240. I done sold books for $199. I got one on my eBay page now for $174. So, and all I paid was $1 for them. So, don't sleep on these books, y'all. You can spend 15 minutes over there and just look through them and see what look interesting to you and scan it. You don't have to scan every book. These, I just saw them and the names, like this master class. People like master classes, so I just picked it up and scanned it. All the rest of the stuff I scanned was like under $10 or so. Even though that's money too. Maybe I need to change what I do, because when you add up supplies, if you get a book that's $5, you add up supplies and stuff like that, your bottom line is you're not gonna be getting nothing, probably about $1.50, 75 cents or something when you get finished. Because some of these, like I use what you call those plastic bags. I use those for a whole lot of books. I just stick the book in there, send it off. So those don't really cost that much. But when you get to a book, like if I get one for $175, I'm putting it in the box. So that box costs, my time costs putting it in there. If I sell something for $5 and slide it in the bag, it's pretty fast. So I might change anything over $5, because that's $1 that I'm passing up. A couple of dollars I'm passing up, but I don't know. I might change. I don't know. Let me see what else. There's something else over here. Oh, I bought this HP hard drive. It's an HP hard drive for $2.99. The hard drive is in here. It don't have a plug, but I might just use this for my videos if it work. Load my videos on here and get them off my phone and off the camera. Get them off my phone and my camera and just store them on this. I do have a 2 GB hard drive, but it's got all music on it. Not 2 GB. I'm sorry. It's like a 4 GB. It's like a terabyte. It's like 2 terabytes. No, it's a terabyte. I'm sorry. But, you know, I don't know. Because I can have hard drives for different things. Like, I got all music on that one. Every time I sell a CD, I download it. You all don't do that? I download it, then I send it off. So I got a whole lot of music, you know. So that's another, I'm gonna make another video about that. But anyway, y'all, I'm getting ready to go. I was gonna make this a short video, but I started talking. Anyway, y'all, let me show y'all where I'm at. Let me get these books out the way. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at. I wish I could videotape it for you to let you see how they load these trucks. Now this is a place in Henderson, Kentucky. I wish it was close to TP, but it's not. I called them last time I was here. But let me turn you around. Okay, see that? They're gonna load this. This is another one of the trucks from my company that I work for. But they're gonna load this metal into these trucks. Last time I was here, I had a 40-foot trailer, and you see that metal over there that's in the big pile right there? They piled that into my truck with that. Let me zoom in so you can see. See that little treadmill thing right there? Over by the forklift? They ran that and put this stuff on my truck. And it don't look like it weighed that much, but it was like 40-something thousand pounds when they got finished. So I don't know what we get today because we got 20-foot trailers. We might be getting those squares over there. See those iron squares? You might be getting those. I don't know. This is only my second time coming here. But anyway, y'all, let me turn y'all back around. How do you do that? Anyway, y'all, I just want to make a little short video about what I picked up the other day. So this Kevin from St. Louis, I've been picking since 2002. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. I've been picking forever. So, you know, if you like this kind of content, just give me a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? If you like this kind of content, join, have your friends subscribe, stuff like that. And I'll talk to y'all later. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to say, woo! That we picking the hood too! Yeah! Peace!